David Morgan, silver finished up around 16% in the first quarter. However, miners Coeur d'Alene and Pan American Silver were flat to down. Where's the disconnect?
Well, a couple things. One is most of these stocks are based on earnings. Earnings were good. Sometimes there's expectations that are not met by these miners and they sell off or don't do as well. In both the cases, Coeur d'Alene Mines and Pan American, they've had a couple of issues. With Pan American, there's been some issues in jurisdiction as far as what could happen with some of the mines. They're not being nationalized or that type of thing, but there's that bent in some of their locations. It's a worldwide global miner. Their mission statement is to be the largest primary silver producer in the world. They're well on track there. Having said that, they have some issues in some of the areas that they mine. However, they just bought Mine Finders, which will add significantly, and one of the bank analysts came out with a buy recommendation on Pan American recently with a target price of about 31. So overall, I think it's a blip in the company. They've taken a hit here, but I think it's an opportunity. As far as Coeur d'Alene goes, they are a substantial silver miner. They're, again, global. They also have some of the issues that Pan American have had, and particularly they have a property in Nevada that they did not file on properly, and this rye patch has come in and basically filed for that project. So that may get into litigation. It's sort of sticky and messy. I think that's one of the causes for the stock price to be off somewhat. Also, we got to look at the money managers. They look quarter to quarter to quarter. Silver's up, as you said, 60%. They look at the quarterly earnings. Again, not getting what they may have expected, or these other issues. They're not doing as well as we might think based on what silver's doing.
All right, well, Silver Wheaton actually is up with the commodity. Silver Wheaton's up around 14% at the end of the first quarter. Is this a name you like?
Yeah, it is. In fact, both those names, Coeur d'Alene and Pan American, I have held. I don't own either one right now. I still hold Silver Wheaton. Silver Wheaton's a royalty company, and it basically tracks silver. Silver's up 16%. SLW is up 14%, and it has none of the issues really that are associated with the miners. They're basically a lending company. They lend out in cash and receive in silver. They've got very strong, tight contracts. They're very diversified. It's almost a no-lose bet as long as silver continues the bull market. I like that company even at these levels.
Thanks a lot, David.
This market is
Stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to